Welcome to the ultimate guide to understanding AI. In this comprehensive video, we delve into the concept of artificial intelligence, AI, its meaning, applications, and potential impact on our lives. Whether you're new to AI or seeking deeper knowledge, this video is a must-watch for you. We begin by defining AI and exploring its various components, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. We demystify complex terminology and present real-life examples to help you grasp the fundamentals of AI technology. Next, we take you on an exciting journey through the incredible capabilities of AI. Discover how AI is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, manufacturing, finance, and more. Gain insights into the incredible potential AI holds for transforming our world in ways we never imagined. Moreover, we address common misconceptions and ethical concerns surrounding AI. We delve into the discussions around AI's impact on jobs, privacy, and society as a whole. Brace yourself for thought-provoking insights that will challenge your perceptions and broaden your understanding. As part of our ultimate guide, we also highlight the latest advancements and trends in AI, offering a glimpse into the future of this groundbreaking technology. Stay up to date with the rapid developments in AI research and innovation, and learn how they might shape our lives in the coming years. Finally, we conclude with practical tips and resources to further explore AI. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in AI, implementing AI solutions in your business, or simply want to stay informed, we provide valuable pointers for your next steps. Join us on this enlightening journey through the world of AI, empowering yourself with knowledge and fascinating insights. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to leave your comments and questions below. Together, let's unlock the limitless potential of AI.